Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy prawns biryani. So this recipe I got inspired by Suhaifa's food. I'll put her link in the description box so you can able to check out more of her recipes. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So on today's ingredients, I'm going to need mixed vegetables. I have some frozen peas, some boiled corns, some carrots and some green peas. Then you're also going to need a half a kg of prawns. You can use more or less, that's up to you. 1.5 glass of basmati rice, or you can use any rice that you prefer. 2 large slices of onion. 1 teaspoon of Garamasala. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of cardamon powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. You'll also need some orange food coloring, and lastly some tomato pastes. So the first step, place some oil on a medium pan and let the oil to heat up. Once hot, add the mixed vegetables and fry them for at least 3 to 5 minutes until the vegetables become soft. After 3 to 5 minutes, remove the vegetables from the oil and place them aside. So the next step, you're going to add the sliced onions and fry the onions till golden brown. After approximately 7 to 10 minutes, your onions should be golden brown like this, and remove the onions from the oil and place them aside. Afterwards, you're going to take your prawns and make sure you've cleaned your prawns. Then sprinkle some salt, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and squeeze 1 lime, and mix the prawns very well. Using the same oil, reduce the oil and add the prawns. Stir and cover to let the prawns to cook until the prawns are nicely cooked and golden brown. When one side of the prawns is nicely cooked like this, turn on the other side and let the prawns to continue to cook. Once the prawns are nicely cooked and have this amazing color, then your prawns are ready, and remove them from the pan and place them aside. Using another medium pan, you're going to add approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add the remaining garlic and the spices and mix everything well. And then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and give a quick mix. Then pour approximately a 1/4 cup of water and mix everything well. Afterwards, you're going to add the fried onions and the fried vegetables and mix everything well and nice. Lastly, you're going to add the fried prawns and mix everything well and nice, then cover to let it cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, Our veggie prawn stew is ready, as you can see in the video, and remove it from the heat and place it aside. The next step, you're going to make our rice. In a medium small pot, you're going to add approximately 2.5 cups of water, then cover to let the water to boil. Once the water starts to boil, you're going to add 1.5 glass of basmati rice, or you can use any rice that you prefer. Make sure you've cleaned the rice. Then mix everything well and nice, then cover to let the rice to cook until soft. After approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stir the rice slowly and check if the rice is soft, and if yes, then your rice is ready, and remove it from the heat and drain the water. The next step, you're going to take an oven dish, or you can use a medium metal pot. Then afterwards, you're going to add half of the cooked rice into the oven dish. On top of the rice, you're going to add the veggie prawn stew. Once you're done adding the stew, then afterwards you're going to add the remaining cooked basmati rice. Then you're going to add some orange food coloring, which I mixed with a bit of water. And lastly, drizzle about 3 to 4 teaspoons of cooking oil, and our prawns biryani is ready. Before placing the prawns biryani in the oven, you're going to cover the biryani with aluminium foil and place it in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our prawns biryani is ready, and remove it from the oven. Uncover the aluminium foil and let the prawns biryani to cool a bit before serving it. Once the biryani has cooled down a bit, then afterwards you're going to serve it in a hot pot. Like, look how soft and tasty this biryani looks. Serve your prawns biryani on a plate. The traditional Swahili culture, we eat along with some banana, some chili, some salad and a cold drink, and enjoy this tasty and delicious prawns biryani. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of biryani, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.